Hello, in this video I'll show you how to enable the virtual memory or the RAM Plus function on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, so the first step will be going to settings, and here you have to scroll down a little bit until you see the device care tab right here, and just press memory. In this tab you can also clean your RAM, and if you want to use the virtual memory or the RAM Plus option, just tap on the RAM Plus, and as you can see I have this option enabled, so enable it if you don't. And here you have the quick description of what is the virtual memory, and here you can also choose the less memory or the more, depending on your preference. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.